Now we have discussed about problems on hollow circular shaft torsion. That is a problem. A hollow circular shaft 20 mm thick transmit 300 kilowatt at 200 rpm. Determine the inner diameter of the shaft if the shear strain is not to exceed 8.6 into 10 raised minus 4. Take C is equal to 80 giganewton per meter square. Trial and error method can be used. So the method will be used on trial and error method. The data are inside of the problems. So some data are there. Once again I read the problem. The hollow circular shaft 20 mm thick. So the thickness is 20 mm. The shaft is hollow. So inner and outer diameter is not given. So transmit 300 kilowatt, that is the power. 300 kilowatt means that is the power at 200 rpm, that is also speed. Determine the inner diameter of the shaft if the shear strain not to exceed 8.6 into 10 raised minus 4. So the shear strain is given. Find for inner diameter. So you have find the inner diameter. The C also given. C is equal to 80 giganewton per meter square. So using the method trial and error method can be used. So first of all you can see this the observation of diagram. So what are the data inside of the problems? We have observe and draw the diagram. So that is the diagram. Inner radius and outer radius. Small r is the inner radius, capital R is the outer radius, 20 mm thickness. That is the 2D diagram, cross section diagram for hollow shaft. So that is the given data. Thickness T is equal to 20 mm, power P is equal to 300 kilowatt, speed N is equal to 200 rpm, shear strain E is equal to 8.6 into 10 raised minus 4. So modulus of rigidity C is equal to 80 giganewton per meter square. So we go write the formula for modulus of rigidity. C is equal to shear stress by shear strain. The formula for modulus of rigidity C is equal to shear stress by shear strain. So we have converted to the giganewton per meter square. We have converted to Newton per millimeter square. So the convention is given the 80 into 10 power 9. That is the giganewton will be converted. So 10 power 9 into 1 divided by 10 power 6, that is the meter square will be converted to millimeter square. So 1 divided by 10 power 6 is equal to, you can write the shear stress. We have calculated the shear stress divided by strain 8.6 into 10 raised minus 4. So we have calculated the shear stress. Thus equal to 68.8 Newton per millimeter square. 68.8 Newton per millimeter square. So to find, first of all, inner radius R, inner diameter small d, outer radius capital R, outer diameter capital D. So that four data are we have find. So solution, first of all you have understanding what are the data inside the problem. So the problem is given for only thickness. So you can write this outer radius. So observing the diagram, you can see this diagram, the only thickness will be there. So the outer radius R is equal to small radius plus 20. You can see this diagram, that will be clear about it. So small radius plus 20, that is the outer radius. So you can write this equation, capital R is equal to small radius plus thickness. So small r into 20. Power P is equal to formula 2 pi n t divided by 60. So what are the data are there? The power will be given. So you can write all the given data. So you can find out the torque. So you can apply all the given values. So power P is equal to 300. Then 2 by n, speed r 200 into t. So you have find out the torque T divided by 60. So torque value is 14.32 kilonewton meters. So once again tell you the torque value is 14.32 kilonewton meter. That will be converted to Newton millimeter. The kilonewton will be converted to kilonewton, meter will be converted to Newton millimeter. So how to convert the kilo? You have converted the into 10 raised 3. Again millimeter also converted to millimeter into 10 raised 3. So that into 10 raised 3 plus 10 raised 3, that is 10 raised 6. So 14.3 to 10 raised 6 Newton millimeter. That is the torque value. So next we go write the torque formula. So you can see this diagram. That diagram will be a hollow shaft. You can write the formula for hollow circular shaft. So you can write the formula for torque on hollow shaft. So T is equal to pi by 16 thou into capital D raised to 4 minus small d raised to 4 divided by T. That is the formula for hollow circular shaft torque formula. So you can apply all the given values. So you can write the pi by 16, that is the formula. Thou values equal calculated 68.8. Then once again you can write the, you can see this, that capital D you have applied to 2r raised to 4. So the formula for diameter is equal to 2 into r. 2 into r. So you can write this, you can mention it, the formula replacement for D to 2r. So 2r whole raised to 4 minus 2 small r to whole raised to 4 divided by 2 capital R. So you can simply solve this formula. Pi by 16 into 68, 2 into, you can apply this, already we have mentioned it, the capital R is equal to small r plus 20. You apply this equation in this formula. So small r plus 20 whole power 4 minus 2 into r small r raised to 4 divided by 2 into r plus 20. So you can simplify this formula. What will get? So in this state, in the given problem, we can use trial and error method to solve this. So already told you the inside the problem trial and error method. So we have apply the, what are the values of r, small r value we have assume the r value. So that r value will be equal to the simplification of torque value is equal to already calculated torque, that is correct radius. So we have assume the radius. So first of all we have assume radius 30, small r. Apply the above equation. What will get? Pi by 16, 68.8, 2 into 30 plus 20 raised 4 minus 2 into 30 whole power 4 divided by 2 into 30 plus 20. So the simplification, the T will be get 11.7 into 10 raised 6 Newton millimeter. That is not equal to the torque. So that 30 will be not a radius for that problem. Next we have assume the radius 34, small radius r is equal to 34. That will be apply on the above equation. What will get? Pi by 16, 68.8, 2 into 34, that is a small radius, plus 20 the whole raised to 4 minus 2 into 34 whole raised to 4 divided by 2 into 34 plus 20. So what will get? That is torque value is 14.3 into 10 power 6 Newton millimeter. That is match for the torque. So the radius r is equal to 34 is correct. Next we have find out the small diameter D is equal to 68. You go multiply with the 2, they automatically get small diameter 68 mm. Next capital radius r is equal to 34 plus 20, that is 54 mm. Diameter, capital diameter is equal to, you have multiply with the 2, 108 millimeter. That is the results. So we have find out the inner radius and inner diameter and outer radius and outer diameter. That is the results. Thank you.